I've made almost $1 million in the past month with meme coins, all because I started launching the coins instead of trading them. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to launch your first meme coin and print generational wealth. Now, I'm not gonna lie bro, if you're still trading meme coins at the moment, you have to stop because you will eventually lose all your money to these stupid rug pulls. And believe me or not, I was actually one of them. I used to trade meme coins every single day, but I kept getting rug pulled over and over again, and I just got tired of it. And that's exactly why I switched to launching them, because all I have to do is find a good narrative, create the coin, launch it, wait for buyers to buy in, and when the market cap, the liquidity, and the profits are good, I simply just remove the liquidity and I exit with profits. And yes, this strategy is fully repeatable. You can launch coins over and over again until you have enough money that you want. And yes, it is completely safe. You have nothing to lose. All you have to do is launch a coin and wait for buyers. It's that simple. So if you actually want to make money by launching coins, you guys have to watch till the end of this video because I will be dropping some straight sauce. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to launch your first coin, make some money, and I will even do a live example. But obviously this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, so please don't copy me. Cap! Stop the cap! But anyways, if you want to launch and create your first coin, I would highly recommend to head over to create token.Fun, because it's the only legit launchpad site on YouTube, okay, that makes your coins, okay? Now, you do not need any coding skills required, and it's gonna launch in seconds. And the reason why thousands and thousands of people use create tokens.Fun to launch your coins is because all the coins are going to be listed on the random index, which means that it will be immediately graduated right here, and it's going to be viewed to thousands of eyeballs. And also, usually, if you launch coins on the random index, you will get a much more higher market cap. As you can see here, 170k, 80k, 11 million, 40,000, okay? You will get a much more higher market cap than Pump.Fun. As you can see, Pump.Fun is really bad, 10k, 14k, 20k, 9k, okay? So you have to be launching coins on create tokens.Fun. Otherwise, if you use other websites, you are basically setting yourself up for failure. Now, to make your coin, you have two different options. The first option is to make it from scratch. So essentially, you would find a viral tweet, a viral meme, I don't know, some type of political news, and then you would make a coin on it by, you know, inventing the token name, token symbol, token image, and just continue with the other steps. But if you're lazy like me and you want to make some money on demand without any marketing, you can actually copy trending coins, which is actually what I use to make thousands of dollars every single day. Essentially, all we do, okay, is we copy a coin that pops up here, right? We list it back up on the random index, and then we dump it and we print thousands of dollars. Now, since all these coins, they all have a good narrative, they're all getting buyers, they're all pumping, you will get buyers inside your coin because it's just how meme coin works, okay? There's millions of people who are trenching and you will make profits. But anyways, I'm gonna stop yapping and let's head straight to the money. So I'm going to create a coin right here. I'm going to refresh list. Okay, the cat wife bow tie just caught my attention because it's a cat. It usually does good on, you know, with meme coins. It has a last buy 4 seconds ago and a $40,000 market cap. So first of all, click your wallet. It's really easy. Your phantom should pop up, yes sir. And then click on create coin, which will copy it. And then, okay, a warning will pop up. It's completely normal, okay? Every single person that starts out is gonna get this warning. Just proceed anyway, confirm, understand, confirm. And then your coin should be copied. Come on. Bro, come on, bro. It's been like 2 seconds. Boom, as you can see here, it popped up. Now click on view on source scan just to make sure that it's created on the blockchain. Yep, as you can see here, it is created, the website is legit, and now copy here, click on create liquidity pool, and now it's time to make your coin tradable on the blockchain. Now here, make sure that your coin is selected, your balance 2, amount token A, click on 90% to put 900 million coins in the pool, okay? It's pretty simple, and for the amount of token B right here, it's really important. Make sure you put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Sol. I'm going to put 0.5 Solana. This is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money, okay? It's completely safe because you are the first buyer inside your own coin. So after you remove the liquidity out of the coin, you will get this money back inside your wallet, so do not worry about it, and make sure you have enough in your wallet. And now it's time to create the pool. So 3, 2, 1, create pool. What? Create pool? Your phantom will pop up. Yes, sir. Now click on confirm, and then click on refresh. And boom, it popped up. As you can see, I'm already $70 in profit, which is really good. And now click on view on photon, and now the coin should be live. It's loading. Yes, sir, it's live. Let me go on a lower time frame real quick. Okay, so it pumped, now it dipped. Let's go. Okay, the coin is kind of drying out. If it goes up just a bit, I will be dumping the coin, so let's go. Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, to remove the liquidity, come back to token.Learn. Click on the minus button, do 100% remove the liquidity. Come on, bro! Oh my god! I could print generational wealth. Come on. Come on. Confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you pump and dump a coin and print thousands of dollars on demand. And if I check my Phantom Wallet to see exactly how much I made in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! $470 is inside my wallet. I made $400 in profit. Create token.Fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description. Make sure to go make coins right now before it's too late. If you want to enter the 1 Sol giveaway, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe. And yeah, bye.